natural health for beginners.
How to make coffee oil for skin tightening. In this video, you'll learn how to make coffee oil, a powerful, natural remedy for skin tightening and anti-aging. Coffee oil is rich in antioxidants, which help reduce signs of aging and promote skin elasticity. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own coffee oil at home, using simple ingredients. Ingredients: coffee beans, or ground coffee, the key ingredient, packed with caffeine and antioxidants that can tighten the skin and reduce puffiness. Carrier oil: choose from oils like olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. These oils are gentle on the skin and act as a base for infusing coffee. Jar or bottle, to store your coffee oil. Strainer or cheesecloth, to filter the oil after infusion. Step 1. Prepare coffee beans or grounds. Begin by grinding coffee beans or using pre-ground coffee. A coarser grind works best, but fine grounds are also acceptable. Step 2. Heat the carrier oil. Pour about 1/2 to 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil into a pan and gently heat it over low heat. You want the oil to be warm but not boiling. Step 3. Infuse the coffee. Add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of coffee grounds to the warm oil. Stir the mixture and let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. Be sure not to let the oil overheat, as it can burn the coffee and reduce its effectiveness. Step 4. Cool and strain. After 30 minutes, remove the pan from the heat and let the mixture cool. Once cooled, strain the oil through a cheesecloth or strainer into a clean jar or bottle. This will separate the coffee grounds from the infused oil. Step 5. Store the coffee oil. Transfer your homemade coffee oil into a dark, airtight container to preserve its potency. Store it in a cool, dry place, and it can last for up to 2 weeks. How to use coffee oil for skin tightening. Massage the oil into your skin in circular motions, focusing on areas like the face, neck, and other places that need firming. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water, or you can apply a thin layer and leave it overnight for enhanced results. For best results, use the coffee oil 2 to 3 times per week as part of your skincare routine. Benefits of coffee oil for skin. Skin tightening. Caffeine in coffee stimulates blood flow and promotes collagen production, which helps tighten and firm sagging skin. Anti-aging. Coffee is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Reduces puffiness. The anti-inflammatory properties of caffeine help reduce puffiness around the eyes and other areas of the skin. Brightens skin. Coffee oil can improve skin tone and give a more radiant, glowing appearance over time. Making coffee oil at home is simple, cost-effective, and an excellent addition to your skincare routine. With regular use, it can help tighten your skin and give you a youthful glow. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more natural beauty tips and DIY skincare recipes.